What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best food processors in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices, like the video comment. And don't forget to subscribe. A food processor can shred, grate, chop, mix, grind and puree ingredients quickly and efficiently, saving you tons of prep time. You can shred beets for borscht, grind nuts for fresh peanut butter, or turn graham crackers into crumbs for a pie crust, just to name a few. Food processors can also be used to mince herbs, puree baby food, create dips like hummus in one step, and emulsify dressings. Most food processors come with attachments that can be used to knead bread and pizza dough, shred blocks of cheese, and slice vegetables in several thicknesses, making them true kitchen workhorses. We did our research, finding and testing the top models for design, usability, performance, ease of cleaning, and more. Here are the best food processors for kitchens of all sizes with price and frequency of use in mind, as well as disk sizes and special features. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ninja BN600 1 Plus Food Processor. The 1000 peak watt motor can process the toughest ingredients with ease. Under $200, based on average selling price and rated wattage. 4 Auto IQ intelligent preset programs make food prep easier with 3 speeds: low, high, and pulse. Chop veggies, shred cheese, and make smooth sauces and quick pizza dough or cookie dough from scratch, all at the touch of a button. The 9-cup, 72-ounce, processing bowl delivers consistent results whether you're chopping a small batch, a few garlic cloves, or an entire bowl full of ingredients, great for large families and entertaining guests. Powerful dough mixer has the torque to fold in ingredients quickly and evenly, making up to 2 pounds of dough in as little as 30 seconds. Includes 20 recipe inspiration guide to help create delicious meals for any occasion. Reasons to buy: powerful motor, lots of accessories, secure lid seal. Reasons to avoid: loud operation, automatic shutoff is inconvenient in some instances. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 3-cup mini food processor. Chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. It's the perfect size for everyday use, yet small enough for easy storage. Easily chop, puree and emulsify with stainless steel blades. Durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients including onions, carrots and nuts. Oil dispenser on lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips and sauces. The bowl, lid and removable blades of the Hamilton Beach chopper are all dishwasher safe. This small food chopper has a 350-watt motor to provide all the power you need to prepare all types of food including onions, nuts, herbs, hummus, dressings and homemade baby food. Reasons to buy: built-in oil dispenser allows to add liquids during processing. Removable parts are dishwasher safe. Stainless steel blades and a powerful 350-watt motor. Reasons to avoid: ideal for lesser ingredients only. Number 3. Cuisinart FCP100 Cooking Food Processor. The Complete Chef boasts a 550-watt motor and 1000-watt heater with the ease and convenience of prepping and cooking all your ingredients right in one 18-cup stainless steel work bowl. Processing functions: chop, mix, puree, knead, slice, shred, dice, whisk. Cooking functions: sauté, simmer, slow cook, steam, proof dough, risotto. Large full-color TFT display, adjustable time, temperature and speed. 10 accessories: slicing disc, shredding disc, chopping blade, dough blade, whisk, stirring paddle, steam basket, funnel, spatula, 2 lids for cooking and processing and a dicing kit and over 200 step-by-step recipes built into the unit. Reasons to buy: controls temperature well, can stir as it cooks. Dicing kit works well. Reasons to avoid: expensive. Beep is very quiet. Menu order is quirky. Number 4. Breville Sous Chef 12 Cup Food Processor. Grating cheese and chopping herbs or nuts to mixing batters and pureeing soups. 12 Cup Cap, BPA-free plastic work bowl, safety braking system. Large 5 inches wide feed chute eliminates need to pre-cut most ingredients. Momentary pulse button for maximum control and even processing. 1000 watt induction motor offers great versatility and power in a compact size. Prevents the motor from operating unless the bowl and lid are correctly locked in position, and large feed pusher is inserted. Voltage, 110 to 120 volts. Slicing, dicing, chopping, shredding, and even kneading bread is no problem for this kitchen workhorse. With 3 feed chute options and adjustable slicer, the Sous Chef 12 will turn timely food prep into the simple push of a button. Reasons to buy: adjustable slicer with 24 settings. Handy push-in cord storage. Safety feature prevents accidental operation. Reasons to avoid: only one power setting. Heavy and somewhat bulky. Number 5. Cuisinart 13 Cup Food Processor. Cuisinart's 550 watt motor for our 13 cup food processor and 4.5 cup smaller, inner nested work bowl is for powerful food prep performance. Exclusive patent pending seal. Tight advantage system that seals bowl and locks blade. Supreme wide mouth feed tube accommodates whole fruits and vegetables. Convenient electronic touchpad controls high, low, off and pulse. Adjustable slicing disc, reversible shredding disc, for medium to fine cuts. Stainless steel chopping/mixing blade and dough blade all fit into the accessory storage case. Storage tray for power handle, blade, fork cutting board sits under tray with instruction manual, recipe booklet with removable dishwasher safe parts for easy cleanup. Reasons to buy: lightweight and easy to lift. Rubberized, large buttons. Easy to align bowl and lid. Reasons to avoid: lower power motor. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.